portals let you travel between locations, just like in real life. So let's dive into Godot. So I got myself a Nether portal here, and I will show two methods. One, where you will teleport from the portal to a specific point in the same level, and another one, changing it to a different level. So I'm gonna select the Nether portal, and I'm gonna add an area 3D to it. And the area 3D is giving a warning because it needs a shape, and the shape it needs is a collision shape 3D. And then you give the collision shape 3D a shape. I'm gonna give it a box shape, and then I'm gonna make it fit the portal. So you just drag these gizmos here until you have the size you want. Something like that should be good. And then I can attach a script to the Nether portal. So I'm gonna select the Nether portal, hit the attach a script, and I'm gonna call this script Nether portal, and I'm gonna create it. So I'm gonna select the area 3D again. And areas are super powerful because they can monitor almost anything. So if I go into the node tab, often you use area entered, but since we're using a character body, we can go back to the player scene and we can see that we're using a character body, and the character bodies count as bodies. So you can check if a body enters, and to do that I'm gonna double click on it and I'm gonna connect it to the script on the Nether portal, and I'm gonna hit connect, and I'm gonna remove the ready and the process function. And if the body of the player enters the area, I want to make the body dot position, and I want to make the body, which is the player, its position equal the position of this target. So I'm gonna right click on the target and I'm gonna access as unique name. I'll go back into the script and drag in the target and make its position. So now the body that enters the area will set its position to the target. So if I run the game now and walk up to the Nether portal and I walk into it, I should teleport to the target. That was pretty easy. So let's dive into the next step on how you can make it change scene. So first of all, I need another scene to change to. So I'm gonna copy this level and make a new 3D scene and paste it in here. And this one will have open doors, and other than that it will be the same. And then I'll drag in the player here and I'll save it as other underscore scene. So now when I enter the Nether portal, I want to change scene. So instead of changing the position, I want to get the tree, and then I do dot change scene to file, and the scene I want to change to is other underscore scene, and I got the recommended path. But if you're not getting the path, you can search for it in the file system. Let's say other scene. You can either right click on it and copy path, or you can just drag it into the script like this. I'll remove this and drag it in, and that should work as well. So now if I play the game and walk up to the Nether portal and jump into it, I teleport to the other scene. It didn't have collision, so I just fell through the floor, but you get the idea. So thank you for watching, and special thanks to my members. For source code, custom videos or coaching, check out my Ko-Fi, and I'll see you in the next one.